got the trash bag stuff in there. So tree fell in this garage area of the house. Replacing some OSB here where it had 3 holes in the roof. A little bit of damage here, and then we are adding some flashing to divert on both sides. Right now the water's just going right into that side in there, so we're gonna have some kick out flashing there and over here on this side as well, so we can stop that water from going right into that side in there. Alright, so what we did today, flashing, where's it going in over there, right over here, fixed a little bit of ridge, and then replaced OSB where there's just 3 holes. Exact same brand, shingle, and color. Difference is one, it's had sun hitting it for a couple of years. But we do our best to color match every time.